Hello there. Right here we have built this circuit to test how the pulse width modulation works with the servo motor. As you can see, the 3 wires of the servo motor are connected to the Arduino Nano, located at the bottom left of the screen. The orange wire connects pin 9 to handle the pulse communications. The red wire is for power, and the brown wire is the ground. As you can see, the servo motor is changing from 0 degrees to 45 to 90 to 135 and then to 180 degrees. You can see how the oscilloscope is showcasing how the pulse width modulation is generated for each of these positions. In this case, for 0 degrees has a pulse width of 1 millisecond. As the pulse width starts to increase up to 180 degrees, it peaks at 2 milliseconds. It then returns towards 1 millisecond, which is 0 degrees. When it hits the 90-degree position, the pulse is at 1.5 milliseconds. We hope you liked the test that we showed you today, and we will see you back at the next video lesson. Take care.